Very good morning dear students. Today we will going to learn lesson number 8, safety habits. We show already the new words of the safety habits. Okay. So what is the meaning of safety habits? We are doing lots of work in a daily routine. Okay. On the road, in the school, on different places. So there we have to keep some safety habits. We have to keep some safety habits like we have to do our work carefully. So it may it not feel harm to us. Okay, वो हमें नुकसान ना पहुंचाए, इसलिए हमें कुछ सेफ्टी हैबिट्स रखना जरूरी है. So that is so this lesson is depend on it. So here we have to put the safety habits on road. You can see here is the traffic signal. So on the road we have to put safety habits. Then while we are playing, at that time we have to put safety habits. We have to keep in our mind what is the safety habits. Then in the swimming pool, how to swim in the pool, at that time also we have to know which are the safety habits here. Then while you are coming in the school or going from the school, at that time you are sitting in your van. Okay, so you are lean out from the window sometimes, so that is not good. Okay, so here also we have to keep some good things in our mind for us. Now whenever in your home you are playing with different things, so at that time with which things you have to play, or with which things you don't have to play, that we have to keep in our mind, that we have to be know. Okay, so this kind of safety habits today we will going to learn. So here I write down about do and don't, means whatever we have to do, what we have to do and what we not have to do. Okay, like do, obey traffic rules. Now here are the two columns, do and don't. Do means what? What we have to do in our whenever we are doing anywhere, at that time what we have to do, like obey traffic rules. Okay, we have to obey the traffic rules. You can see here are the traffic signal. Like in traffic signal we are see red color, then yellow color and green color, and you know what is the message of red color, yellow color and green color. Red color means what? We have to stop on the traffic signal, and yellow color means we have, when yellow color will play, at that time we have to ready to go, and when green color will light, at that time you have to go from the road. Okay, so such kind of traffic rules we have to obey. And on the road we have to cross the road on the zebra crossing. We are crossing easily on the road. We are not saying vehicles are coming or not, we are just cross, but the rule says that we have to cross the road on the zebra crossing. You know what is the zebra crossing? I hope you all are seeing the zebra. I also told you in the new words. So on the zebra there are stripes in black and white color. So in such a way on the road also there are stripes in black, white and black color. Okay, so we have to cross the road on the zebra crossing. This is the second rule of on the road. Okay, we have to cross the road on the zebra crossing and then obey the traffic rules. And next one, we don't have to play on the road. Now let's see, so that we see about the safety on the road. Okay, these are the safeties on the road. Now look, while we are playing, now we are playing many of the games in our society or in park. Okay, so while we are playing, what things we have to keep in our mind? Like we have to play in the park. We have to play in the park or the ground, but we don't have to play on the open terrace. Open terrace means what? Where there is not walls in the four sides, so that is the open terrace. We don't have to play in the open terrace. If we will play on the open terrace, then what will happen? Maybe you will be fall down. So this is very risky. That's why we don't have to play on the open terrace, or we don't have to play on the road, because on the road there are many vehicles are coming. So at that time we don't have to play on the road also. Now जब आप खेलते हो, ये उसका रूल है। नाउ लुक हियर, व्हाइल यू आर स्विमिंग, look at this is the swimming pool. So these are children who are swimming in the swimming pool. So when we are swimming in the swimming pool, at that time we don't have to swim in the deep water. बहुत ज़्यादा deep में water है, वहाँ पर हमें swimming नहीं करनी है. And we have to use the rubber tube. What we have to use? The rubber tube. Rubber tube means this is the tube, and in that you have to sit, and then you have to water, so it is safe for us. Okay, so these things we have to keep in our mind while we are swimming. Now when you are going in school or going outside or coming from the school, okay, so we are going in the bus or car, in the four-wheeler, so at that time we have a habit to lean out from the window. Now you can see that girl, she is lean out from the window, but this is not good thing. Okay, ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. If any vehicle will come from there, then what will happen? So this is not good habit. So we don't have to lean from the window. We don't lean out from bus window और कार विंडो, है ना. हमें बस और कार की विंडो से ऐसे झांकना नहीं है. दैट इज कॉल्ड लीन आउट. एंड वी डोंट वॉक ऑन द रोड. दैट इज सो. नाउ इन एट योर होम, एट अवर होम देयर आर मैनी ऑफ द थिंग्स लाइक नाइफ, स्टेपलर, है ना, बहुत, देन सीजर. दीज आर द शार्प थिंग. ये कैसी थिंग्स होती है? शार्प थिंग होती है. Because of them our hand will be injured, so we don't have to play with such a things like knife which we cut the vegetables, so हमें उसके साथ नहीं खेलना है. Then we don't have to play with the scissor, so this is very risky, so that's why we have to keep safety at the time at our home. And the second thing you can see here is the plug where we join the wire. Okay, so we don't touch that electrical things with wet hand. Wet hand means if your hand is wet with water, so don't touch the electrical things with wet hands. And you are now very small, so don't play with the electrical things. Which things? Electrical points के साथ आपको नहीं खेलना है. And don't play with the fire. Sometimes you are playing with the fire, you are collecting lots of papers, and then you are doing fire and you are playing with it, so that is very bad thing. So today we learn where we have to put the safety rules, where we have to keep in our mind. On the traffic signal, then zebra crossing, while we are playing, then while we are swimming, at our home, and when we are going outside with use of bus or car. Okay, so in this way today we learn some safety habits on some places, but only these are not the places where you have to keep the safety rules in our mind, but there are many of the places where you are doing work, so always keep some safety rules in your mind and then do that work. So these safety habits are very essential for in our daily routine for our betterness. Okay, so this is our today's lesson. So let's revise this lesson in short. We have to do means जो हमें करना है, and don't means जो हमें नहीं करना है. So what we have to do? We have to obey the traffic rules. You know the meaning of obey. Whatever traffic rules are there, that we should obey. Now stand in a queue. Wherever you are going, either in a school or either in a shop, so always stand in a queue means line से खड़े होना है हमें. Then play in the park. Don't play on that open terrace. Play in the park. Then swim in the part where water is not deep. We have to swim in the part where water is not deep. And use rubber tube while we are swimming. जब भी हम swim करते हैं, at that time we have to use rubber tube. Okay? So these things we have to do. जो हमें करनी है. Now don't do. जो हमें नहीं करनी है. That things let's see. Don't walk on the road. We should not walk on the road. And don't lean out from the bus window. Don't lean out from the bus window. And don't play on open terrace. जो open terrace है, at where we don't have to play. And on the road also we then don't play with sharp objects. As I told you, staplers, scissors, then knives. So we don't have to play with such objects. Now, don't touch electrical points and don't play with fire. So these are the safety rules today we learn. I hope you all